Way we are making pot brise pie crust. To make our flaky, buttery pie crust, let's mix 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour. And we will add a tablespoon of sugar, 2 sticks of the unsalted butter cubed. That's very, very cold. And let's add a teaspoon of salt. We will pulse this until pea size of the flour formed. Oops. Let's add 4 tablespoons of iced water. Do it again. 5, 6. Let's add 2 more. Is there pea size yet? So I added 8 tablespoons of ice water. To make sure that it's ready, let's go ahead and try to press peas. I think this is ready. Now let's turn this over to a flat surface. Now we will slowly turn this over. Now don't forget to remove the blades. Oops. Now this makes 2 pie crusts. If you want to make 2 1/8 inch thick of pie crust. But because I wanted to make 1/4 inch thick pie crust, I'm making just one big disc. Let's go ahead and chill this for about 30 minutes into our fridge. Here it is. Let's flour our surface. Now it's time to roll and flatten our pie dough. We will roll the pie dough as fast as we can to keep it cold. Okay, I think I will be needing my booster stool. I want to make sure they don't separate. Roll it in one direction. Let's keep on spinning it while we roll so the nuts stick on the surface. We don't want the butter to melt. We want to do this as fast as we can to keep the dough cold and the butter intact. Getting there. A little bit more. Okay, let's try and see if it's wider enough. Alright, I think this is good. We will roll this around our rolling pin. Slowly and be gentle. Now we will put our pie plate underneath, lift it carefully and roll it slowly. Let's push and make sure it touches our pie plate. I think this is good. Okay, you can use a knife or scissor to trim the edges. I'm using my knife since I can't find our scissors. Make sure you leave about 1 inch overhang to tuck in. Just fold it. I like it thick overhang. And you can crimp this to whatever design you want. So for the design, I will use a chopstick. I'll just support it with my hand. So you can do yours however you want. Just wanted to round the edges. And there we go. Now I'm going to use a fork to poke the bottom so it doesn't bubble while it's baking. Okay, now we will pop this baby in the fridge for about 15 minutes to keep it firm and cold before we bake it. Our pie dough is firm and cold. Let's scramble a piece of parchment paper. I think this is good. For weights, I am using basmati rice, but you can also use beans if you have any. Make sure it's evenly distributed on all sides. The weights will keep the pie crust in place and will keep the bottom flat. Okay, we will blind bake this for about 25 to 30 minutes at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Ooh, would you look at that? We will put this baby back in the oven and we will bake it for another 10 to 15 minutes until we get a nice brown color on the pie crust. And there you have it, you guys, my pot per se pie crust.
Enjoy!
Thanks so much for watching. Please consider liking and subscribing to our YouTube channel. Mga anta!